Hello YouTube, today is January the 8th, 2023. It is a Sunday. Just putting up a video of today's latest posting. Will be a 3-tiered rolling metal cart by design. So I'll cut over quickly to a closer picture of the box, show you what it looks like, and then I'll go into the box. It's an open box, but everything in it is still packaged, you know, from the factory. So I'll take a quick look inside. After, I'll show you the front of the box so you can see. So this is the front of the box. This is what the rack will look like. It's all metal. It's got 4 wheels and it's rolling. So I'm gonna go into the box real fast and show you that everything is there, and then I'll post this up for sale on my eBay store, and I'll put the links into the listing there so you can take a look at that. So this is a 3-tiered metal rolling utility cart. Box is open, but the contents is still new pack. There's your instructions. And take off one of these. 3 tiers. There's the first one. There's the second one. Okay. And here's all the tools that you're going to need. Wheels. Other wheels. We've got the brackets. There's a shelf. Any other brackets down there, as you can see. So it's new. Just the box is open. As far as I can see, everything is there. And I'll pack it up. It'll ship in this box right here. I'll pack it up with some duct tape on the bottom so it's secure. Let's take a quick look. So as you can see, it's about 13 pounds. So that's about it. And this is up for sale pretty soon. I'll put the links to my store and the links to this item once I post it on eBay. So that's pretty much it. It's a nice small cart for utility stuff, you know. Whether you want to keep it in your bedroom, downstairs, or in the living room, whatever. It's made of metal. It's relatively sturdy, and Design's a pretty good company. So that's about it. So if you'd like to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, get notifications for when I put new things up for sale. I'll be doing it as much as I can because I'm trying to get as much inventory moving as I can. And I thank you very much for coming and looking at the channel, and for putting up with the fact that it's still very much a work in progress. Nothing fancy yet, but we'll get there. Thank you.